Flying is a mixture of excitement, there's some anticipation, sometimes there's a little bit of nerves, a little bit scary, and then hand in hand with that, there's also a sheer just fun factor of lining up before the ramp on the carrier, converting the aircraft into a STOVL mode, or a short takeoff and vertical land mode, where the nozzles are angled downward, the engine spins up the lift fan, you feel the aircraft start to change and vibrate, and you now push the power up, and you can feel that she's getting ready to get airborne, you're holding it against the brakes, and now you're waiting for the flight deck officer to give his last signal and point you down the deck. And that whole time the anticipation is building, your heart rate's building, you're a little bit scared, the ship's pitching, and you can see beyond the bow of the carrier where you're about to go, and then you slam the throttle open, you feel the jet start to really spool up, she's holding against the brakes, you release the brakes and you start to accelerate towards the end of the deck. And for that whole run down the deck, there is definitely a level of anticipation in your mind. Will it work this time like it's worked before, like it worked in the simulator, like it worked when we spoke about it in the brief? And all of a sudden, you're off the front end and it becomes all about business at that point.
After this problem.